I'm Sergio.
I'm Renee.
Keegan.
Alejandra.
And this is our documentary called Methods of Removing Plastic from the Ocean.
Yep. Alright.
From the
Plastic pollution has become a major problem for the oceanic environment. As a research experiment, we went to multiple bodies of water in Alvin to document the amount of plastic that is present. This represents the plastic pollution problem on a small scale to help demonstrate the problem on a bigger scale.
This was one of the locations that we went to. It's the pond at ACC by the Nolan Ryan Center. And as you can see, there are multiple pieces of plastic in the pond. Location is Briscoe Park behind ACC, and as you can see, there are multiple pieces of plastic. You can imagine how much plastic is in the ocean if there's this much plastic in such a small contained area.
Plastic is a resource that many people use in their everyday life. A lot of products people use every day are made of plastic, including food products, healthcare products, electronics, accessories in cars, and much more. Much of this plastic that is used are only single-use plastic, meaning that after one use, it's thrown away or recycled.
Research shows that although plastic is said to be recycled, approximately 91% of the plastic that they say is recycled isn't actually recycled. The plastic usually ends up in landfills or dumps, and from there it goes into the environment and it ends up in oceans or rivers, lakes, pretty much anywhere. This is because smaller plastic like bags or straws can get in the little crevices of the machinery that recycling companies use, and therefore the plastic is not actually able to enter the recycling plants.
According to 4Ocean, World War II was an essential reason that plastic production increased in the 1950s. Plastic was a resource that could be produced efficiently and used effectively during the war era. Much of the plastic that was produced was wrongfully discarded and ended up in the oceans.
According to Fernanda Casio, in the article Plastic Interactions with Pollutants and Consequences to Aquatic Ecosystems, What We Know and What We Don't Know, plastic is explained to degrade at a slow rate, and this means that plastic could be present in the ecosystem for many years.
As you can see, plastic pollution is a major problem in the world. There are many methods as a solution to the problem. As a group, we talked about the multiple ways that plastic could be removed from the ocean.
We researched these methods and this is what we produced. The Seabin Project was an option we came up with. According to the researchers at the Seabin Project, it is a water pump that sucks water from the surface of the ocean to remove small pieces of plastic, while the water is returned to the ocean.
This is a picture from the Seabin's website to show people what it looks like and kind of how it works. It filters out the plastic from the top and allows water to filter through the bottom. Here's a clip of the Seabin in action, removing plastic from the surface of the ocean. It also catches oils and much more.
The cost to have it running each day is about $3. Research shows that each year the Seabin collects about 1.4 tons of debris from the ocean's surface. The Seabin has been proven to be non-harmful to the environment. It is made up of 100% recycled material.
The Seabin is also installed with an absorbent pad that absorbs oils that are also toxic to marine organisms.
Another method we came up with was the ocean cleanup system. According to the article Cleaning Up the Ocean by Brian McGrath, the ocean cleanup system is explained to be a floating barrier that hangs below the surface of the ocean. Research shows the ocean cleanup system has removed 1.8 trillion plastic fragments using this process.
This is a picture from the Ocean Cleanup System's website to show people what the device looks like. how it works is the device is pulled by 1 or 2 boats and it sifts the plastic from the ocean surface. And this is a short clip also from the Ocean Cleanup's website to show you how it looks under the water and how it works.
The net that is used to remove the plastic is small enough to catch plastic, but wide enough to allow marine animals to swim through or under the barrier.
We also talked about how people can individually minimize the plastic pollution in the environment. By people cutting down on single-use plastic in their everyday life, it will reduce the amount of excess plastic that enters the environment.
In conclusion, the plastic crisis is an important problem that must be solved. The methods that we explained in this video are highly effective ways to help clean up the plastic in the ocean.
The methods we stated were the CBEN project, the Ocean Cleanup project, and minimizing plastic use on an individual level. I use plastic every day in my house, and I know that if I stop using plastic, then it'll reduce the amount of plastic that goes into the environment. And you can too.
You can be part of the solution of removing plastic pollution from the ocean by donating to these methods that we talked about, or you could just support them, or even just minimizing the use of plastic in your house will help the whole situation. If you go on either of these websites, you can see ways that you can support them, or you can donate to the cause, and you can research more. If you need more information, it's on there.
Keegan?
Alejandra.
Renee.
Renee.
There you go.
We also,
Action.
we also talked about
Look. Plastic.
electronics.
As a research